Do you want to partition C drive in Windows 11 without formatting? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. We have seen a couple of computers where the primary partition C drive has extra storage space. Some computers do not have a partition at all, while some have a smaller partition. Since it's not possible to delete C drive where Windows OS is installed, we will show you how you can still partition C drive in Windows 11 or 10 without formatting, using the shrink volume process. Let's get started. What happens during the shrink volume process? The feature which we will be using to partition C drive is called shrink. It will make sure that the files on the drive remain intact. It still creates another partition out of it. Shrink can be used from the disk management tool which is available in Windows 10. Before you start the process, make sure the C drive is not full or nearly full. If that's the case, make sure to remove unnecessary files following this guide and have enough space. Then, we would suggest you use the defrag tool on C drive. It will help to speed up the shrinking process by the right margin. When the shrinking process starts, it arranges files such that the data are moved to one side of the physical sector, the other side stays empty, and a partition is created. That's the reason why space is needed, so it can be used temporarily. Partition C drive in Windows 11 without formatting. As we start, there is one crucial thing you should know. The shrinking process takes time. Deleting a partition and creating a new one is a lot faster. However, that's not an option, so make sure to have enough time to complete it. Open the run prompt using Win+R and type compmgmt.msc followed by the enter key. It will open the computer management console. Navigate to storage, then disk management. Here, you should see a list of all the drives and partitions inside it. Locate the partition which says primary drive. It is usually labeled as C. First, right-click on the C partition and select Shrink Volume. The disk management tool will then query for how much space is available to shrink. It may take a while for it to complete. Next, you should see a partition creation window that displays the amount of space available for shrinking the C drive. Enter the desired amount and click on Shrink. You cannot shrink a volume beyond the point where any unmovable files are located. That's why we suggested defragmenting the drive. If you did, you should see more space if it's displaying less. After this, you may not be able to use the computer for a while. The system will be busy moving files and releasing space for the new drive. Once the process is complete, you will see an unallocated disk space. You will have to use this to create a new partition or volume which you can use on the computer. Create a new partition from unallocated space. Right-click on the unallocated disk space and select New Simple Volume from the menu. Enter the amount of space you would like to allocate for the free space and click Next. Assign a drive letter. Type of partition, that is NTFS, FAT, 32, etc. After the process completes, you will have a new partition ready to use. You can choose to create multiple partitions if you wish so. As you can see, it takes time and care to complete this. Make sure you know what you are doing and follow each step carefully. Any wrong step can result in the deletion of partition and loss of data forever. Shrink C drive without formatting using Diskpart Command-line tool. You can achieve the same result using the shrink command of the Diskpart tool. You can execute it on PowerShell or command prompt with admin permissions. So, open command prompt with administrative privileges, then type this and hit the enter key. Diskpart. Next, type this and note down the number of the volume you want to shrink. List volume. Now type this and hit the enter key. Select volume, volume number. Lastly, type this and hit the enter key. Shrink. Desired equals desired size. Minimum equals minimum size. It shrinks the selected volume to the desired size in megabytes if possible, or to minimum sum size if desired size is too large. If you skip specifying the minimum size, it will reclaim the maximum amount of space possible. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.